I'm going to get started on the club business now. This is the February club meeting, and what happens is in the January meeting we announce what the dues are going to be, and our bylaws actually require us to vote members into the club. Okay, so we have to go through about a 3-minute process listing all of the members who have signed up. So I'm going to hand this over to Osmond, who's our Secretary-Treasurer.
All right, we have 47 new members to the club because, I can't remember if you just said, but we didn't have dues last year. And so we're having to reinitiate everybody into the club who pays dues. Again, the dues are $10. That's for an individual as well as a family, and that covers you for the entire year. So I'm going to read off the names, and at the end of the process, we would like, officially, the existing club members are supposed to vote in new members. So because we didn't have dues last year, the official club roster has not been updated since 2011. So if you were a member in 2011, you'll be allowed to vote in the new members. I know that's hard to remember back that far. So let's just say if you have paid dues in the past, then you are considered a member for the purpose of this vote, and you'll be allowed to vote on the new members. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm going to try and get through the list as quickly as I can. So the new members which we are voting in with this club's meeting are Michael Cipriano, myself, Osman Arau, Patty Rimland, Bill Spangler, Gilbert Van Hoy, Andy Jang, and Andy, if you're here, please come see me. There was an issue with your payment. Alex Bravo, JP Grail, David Gustavinson, Tully Foote, James Edel, Robert Patrick Opel, Arthur Wayne Zunaid, Vania, Joseph Landau, Alan Downing, Kyle Mulrow, George Campbell, Nagrajan, I won't say the last name, Jean-Lin Yu, Chuck, Kurt Christophenson, H. Victor Lim, Raghavendra, C.W. Spangler, Joseph Landau. Did I say that already? Yes. So you also, please come see me if you're here. Srinivasan, Salvador Torres, Prakash, Julie DeQuire, Brahm Singh, David Madsen, Daniel Watson, Seal Craig, Daniel Watson, Steve Pease, Grits Lindy, John Basir, Aaron Brennan, Chuck, again, Chuck, where are you? You need to come see me afterwards, please. Gilbert Van Hoy, Leon Wang, Vishvesh Deshmukh. So, I apologize for having to read the entire list, but it is in our club bylaws that we need to vote in new members. So, if there's anybody who opposes to bringing any of these members into the list, please raise your hand. Some weirdo, I don't know. And for those of you who were members in the past, if you would like to approve adding these members to the membership list, please raise your hand. Thank you very much. All these members are now part of the club.
Yay! You get it next time. Okay. So, yeah, I'd like to welcome all our new members who are in for the first time and all of our, quote, returning members. Okay. Let's see. The other club-related stuff, okay, the mail list. We've been talking about the commercial use of the mail list. It's been an issue that's been kicking around for 5-6 months now, and we had an executive meeting at the end of after the talk at last meeting. And the proposal is we're going to try just a simple process. If somebody wants to do a commercial ad on our list, we'll allow them to pay a nominal fee, where it's currently going to be around $10. The purpose of the money is to provide a throttle so that we can have some more control over what's getting posted on the list. This is going to be an experiment, okay, and we're just trying to learn. Because what we were discovering is, there's over 700 people on the list, and we don't have 700 members, folks. We'll be lucky if we get 70 people to sign up for the club this year. So it's like a 10-to-1 thing. What was happening is the people who were not club members were just posting whatever they wanted for stuff. We'd yell at them. There would be unhappiness. And so, this is what we're going to try. It may work, it may not work. We'll find out. If it doesn't work, we'll try something else. So I will post a message probably on Friday explaining what the rules are. The rules are going to be very simple. If you want to post an ad, pay us money, and I will actually do the posting. So you'll send me the thing, I will vet it. Okay. Now along those lines, we're also going to be changing the way we run the mail list. Most of the traffic on the mail list is actually being done by members. So if you are a member, you're going to have access to the mail list without being moderated. And we're going to take a lot of the people that aren't members and we're going to put them at least temporarily back into moderation. And if they're a frequent contributor, we'll basically say, hi, we want you to respect our rules, and then we'll take you off moderation. Most of the people, in fact, who are on our list are probably going to wind up back on moderation. Again, this is an experiment. We're trying to basically make sure that we have a little less problems than we've had in the past. Does anybody have questions about that? Because we're just springing this on you. No questions. Okay.
Are you catching a lot of spam? I've seen a lot of spam.
We nail spam, Camp. That's why you don't see it. What?
Just black.
Yeah, okay. What's tough is people going off and doing things. You'll notice that there has been fewer cartoons posted to the list recently. All I want to say.